Hey, how you doing? My name is Mr. Ron, and I'm here to talk about several ways I get to the floor when I dance, okay? So I'm gonna start real simple with a squat, okay? We could just squat down, but that's too chill, all right? So I wanna get a little fancy with that. So one of the ways I do it is I'll go here and go through levels. I'll go 1, 2, 3, now I'm down to the floor, all right? So I've made my way to the floor. Now what you do when you get down here, you use your imagination, but instead of just going here and then over, I took step 1, 2, 3. And then I'll play around. I might kick a leg, swing through, dolphin, but we'll talk about dolphins later, all right? So that's one way I use the squat situation. I'll also squat and I'll go to the front. So I'm squatting, but as I do that, I'll reach my hands out like this. So I'm squatting down to slide through and come out. And I'll come out several different ways. So again, I'm squatting, but as I squat, I'm coming forward. Boom, I'll drop to my elbow. And we'll talk about this in another video about that arm, stabs, freezes, all that great stuff. All right, but I'll swing through and bring my way up. I'm at the floor. Third way is I'll go backwards. I'll use this elbow again, and I'm squatting down, boom, and I'll travel around that way. So I might come forward, drop down, so I'm squatting here, I reach back, I find that elbow again, find my balance, boom. I'm on the floor, okay? So I'm again working the elbow, same concept, but I'm going down, drop back, find the elbow, find my balance, swing through, I'm on the floor. So for those last two, you got to play around with the elbow, and that's gonna be a whole different series of how to find your balance there. But those are 3 ways that I get to the floor squatting down.